My name is Mel Schmiller Jr., Darkside of the Grill, and today I'm going to show you how to cook octopus over the charcoal in 60 seconds. What we've done here is we've salted it just a little bit. We've got lemon juice sprayed all through it. We've crushed up a few heads of garlic, a couple red chilies. We've let her sit in here for about 20 minutes, marinating up a bit while we get the grill nice and hot. We're going to do this indirect at about 350 and then roll it over the coals to finish up with that fire flame kiss. And there she is, she's stiffening up just a bit. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil and then give her a quick spin. Let her go just a little while longer. Get that olive oil all over the grill so it doesn't stick. Now we flame seared this beautiful octopus off. You can tell by the edge of these suction cups, they're getting dark, it's ready to pull. We're gonna pull it off, let it rest for about 2 minutes, slice into this, get ready for some deadly octopus, baby. We've let her rest for about 5 minutes. We're gonna slice it up, we're gonna hit it with some fresh lemon, a bit of rock salt, get ready for the best octopus of your entire life. And there she is, perfect octopus over the charcoal. Trust me, it's gonna change your life.